Yesterday, Chrism Ark said in our comments, total market cap still has the space to fall as much as 60%, I believe. Uh-oh, did I just will this into existence? Anyways, I'm your host, Andrew, and welcome to Crypto Espresso, your teeny tiny daily shot of caffeinated crypto headlines. It's Tuesday, which means it's also the news day, which coincidentally falls on a day with a lot of news. Good thing I did some stretching beforehand. First up, Twitter's former head of security has become a whistleblower, and he's making damning allegations against the social network. Piotr Mudge-Zatko claims major security problems are putting the personal information of users at risk, and the site has been failing to reliably delete data when people close accounts. In allegations that could strengthen Elon Musk's case against the company, he claims Twitter bosses are unable to fully gauge how many bots are on the platform. Zatko is now set to be subpoenaed by Musk's lawyers. All these claims may alarm crypto Twitter, mostly because many of them take their anonymity very seriously. Twitter says Zatko was fired for ineffective leadership and poor performance, and his claims are a false narrative that's riddled with inconsistencies. A Bitcoiner has received $1.2 million in donations ahead of a legal showdown with Craig Wright. Hodlonaut had written tweets that questioned whether Dr. Wright is actually Satoshi Nakamoto, who is Bitcoin's inventor. During the next month's 8-day trial in Norway, Hodlonaut, who, by the way, should not be confused with the crypto lending service Hodlonaut, which we talked about yesterday, yeah, I know, I was a little confused too, is seeking a declaratory judgment that their tweets were lawful and covered by truth and freedom of speech. Well, it's now emerged that Hodlonaut has received 47 Bitcoin, which is worth $1 million from an anonymous donor, and speculation is rife on crypto Twitter that Michael Saylor was this mysterious benefactor. Meanwhile, Dr. Wright has vowed to continue taking legal action until baseless and harmless attacks designed to belittle his reputation stop. Now let's quickly move on to the next story because I don't want to get sued. OpenSea's former product manager is calling for the insider trading charges against him to be dismissed. Nate Chastain is accused of buying NFTs before they appeared on the marketplace's homepage and later selling them for 2 to 5 times profit. But now the 31-year-old's legal team claim ill-founded applications of criminal law are being used to set a precedent in the digital assets space. They also argue that NFTs are neither securities nor commodities, and because of this, insider trading was impossible to achieve. Chastain's lawyers go on to insist that OpenSea was not deprived as a result of his alleged actions, primarily because the platform collected its standard fees in connection with each relevant NFT that was bought and sold. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube have all handed permanent bans to Andrew Tate. The crypto trader and influencer has come under fire for violent videos where he appeared to endorse hitting women. Footage of the former kickboxer has spread like wildfire in recent months, with students of his self-proclaimed Hustlers University being encouraged to share the clips. A spokesperson for the former kickboxer told Bloomberg banning Andrew Tate from these platforms might seem like the answer, but it's not that simple. Removing Tate's voice doesn't allow for a kinder, hate-free society. Some in the crypto space have disapproved of these bans and argue greater decentralization is needed because censorship is unacceptable. And finally, Telegram's founder has hinted that the messaging app may start selling exclusive usernames as non-fungible tokens. Catchy handles including @Storm and @Royal, as well as 4-letter usernames, could be made available first. It means that early Telegram users could be sitting on a gold mine. CEO Pavel Durov said, "Let's see if we could add a little bit of Web3 to Telegram in the coming weeks." Web3 usernames have become big business, with Ethereum Name Service selling off 2 million wallet addresses since launch. But inevitably, the astronomical prices being paid could fuel fears that a new bubble is forming in the industry, and it could leave personalized addresses out of reach for many normal consumers. But what's never out of reach, especially for the common man, is the ability to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on that little bell icon to get buzzed whenever a new Crypto Espresso video goes live. Did today's show get your blood boiling, or does ice water run through your veins? What about all that Andrew Tate business? Let us know in those comments below because I read and I cherish them. And while you're in those comments, connect the dots over to Alex. Ask Alex in the description below this video to find out more info about today's headlines and crypto in general. Alex is also a great resource for all things Web3 and that metaverse, which it looks great right now. It looks great. Anyway, again, I've been your host, Andrew, and we'll see you all tomorrow.